To start off with the rotation, obviously you add a motion tile as you always do. 300, 300, and copy and paste it onto the other ones. And turn on motion blur. Now, the way that I do rotation, I use a null layer, but you could also more or less do the same thing by using rotation keyframes directly on your clip. I just, for some reason, that's just how I learned it with the null layer, so that's how I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. So first of all, to make a null layer, damn, that's hard to say. The shortcut for it is Control-Shift-Alt-Y. I know, very long for no reason whatsoever, but that's just how it is. So you're gonna want to select all 3 of your clips and use this little spiral thing and drag it to the null layer, which will parent it to the null layer. So whatever you do to it, it'll do to the clips. So press R to bring up the rotation keyframes on the null layer. Put one in the middle of your clips. That's just, if I have more clips, that's just how I'll do it. I'll put the ones that are at rotation 0 first. So just go to every clip and put it in the middle. 1 frame before the first clip ends, I like to do -120. You could also do -100. Anywhere between -100 and -120 just works really well. And then when the second one begins, you want to do 120, the opposite. And keyframe them. Easy ease them, sorry. You could also use the speed graph, but I prefer the value graph for some reason. Just got used to it. And just basically follow what I do here. Now, if I bring this down, as you can see, this will happen as well. So just hold shift and press on this keyframe to kind of like unlock it. I don't know the term for it. It just won't bring this one down with it. So right now we have that. Trust me, it looks a whole lot better when you have another transition in a shake. Usually just transitions on their own with just the After Effects motion blur aren't the greatest. Okay, so now it's spun one way. When I do more than one rotation, I like to do it in the opposite direction. So because on the previous one we did -120, I'm gonna do 120 now. Hold on, not 129. 120, a frame before the first clip ends, and then when the second one begins, -120, aka the opposite. And then open this up again, and just follow what I do. This one, when you have something like this, you're gonna want to like really bring this in, or else it'll look just super weird. There it is again, bringing that other line down. Shift on here and bring it like that. See, it looks so much better. That'll be all for this video. I feel like my videos are getting shorter and shorter, aren't they? But I'll see you guys in the next video.